beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you, and it is a box that I've had before. It is the Feathers and Webs Magic subscription box. The company is called Feathers, Foraging and Flynn. I purchased this once last month, and then they were very kind and they sent me the Herbs for Magic box, but this is another box that I have purchased. So let's get into it. It is a monthly subscription box for witches, and anyone interested in magic. I can't remember how much it is. I will put it on the screen. I am so rubbish at remembering the cost of boxes. Oh, there's another bit to open. Right, let's have a look. So, oh, it's Sigil Magick. Oh my goodness, I'm very excited for this. So this is the box. Now, these boxes always come with so much information, so you get a lesson, you learn loads of stuff, and it's just really interesting. I'm so excited. So Sigil Magick, I can't think of how to describe it without talking for 10 minutes. I'll put it on the screen, a very brief description of Sigil Magick here. There's probably going to be one here, but I will read through this quickly, give you guys the gist, and then we're going to have a look in the box. So October has to be one of my favourite times of the year. It feels dark, mystical, and the perfect time for really getting my witch on. Automatically I feel like putting on extra jumpers, leg warmers, mittens, hats, and they all come out to play, as do the mugwort, patchouli and dragon's blood. As we've already covered the Samhain in last year's October box, I thought what better subject to reflect on than protection, also known as apotropaic, probably said that wrong, magic, a type of magic that intended to turn away harm or evil influences, as in deflecting misfortune or averting the evil eye. I have one there. Apotropaic. It's A-P-O-T-R-O-P-A. Apotropaic. That's how I'm saying it. Itchy nose, which comes from the Greek to ward off. It's something that we all as witches and magical folk should know and be using right from the start, and yet most of us still want to be seen as white witches or airy fairy and only talking about the goddess that is Mother Earth is acceptable. There are so many different ways to perform spells or incantations for protection. We have included some with this box. So they've got hag candles. Hag candles are extremely rare to find for sale, so we have made our own here at Feathers Academy. I just want to go. They've got like an academy, a Feathers Magic Academy. I want to go. They are a torch, not a candle, and burn fiercely, so we recommend that you use them for outdoor rituals only, or take great care burning them in a metal candle holder with a spike for security. Do not place on a glass ceramic plate, as the intense heat can crack the vessel. Keep lighting and melting the top of the candle until the inner wick stays alight. Let's find them. This is the hag candle. Look, everything is beautifully wrapped as well. Like, look at that. Seriously? Gorgeous. So excited. Wow. Look at that. Oh my god, it literally looks like a chocolate bar. That could be a toffee crisp. It smells incredible. It's like a really nostalgic smell in there. It looks like chocolate, but I promise you it's a candle. So it says, hag candles have been used in ceremonies and rituals for hundreds of years, and they are used to light the circle and for protection. The centre of the candle is in fact the flower spike of the mullein herb, using the whole plant as the wick of the candle. Mullein can be used to smudge as they steer away from negative energy and purify. Mullein is also known to aid divination and spiritual connection. Dressed with the straw flower, which corresponds with Samhain, used in magic for luck, longevity and protection, used to make the spell last. The straw flower is the flower of Samhain and signifies the transition from one style of life to another. Love that. Okay, and then we've got, what is this? We've got a crystal, so we've got some black tourmaline. Again, it's just wrapped, it's wrapped in lace and a cloth, and it's just gorgeous. Black tourmaline, the poet's stone, grounding, protection, repels evil and negativity, frees us from unhealthy habits, helps us to access deep unconscious levels. Tourmaline helps us to be flexible in times of stress, bringing happiness, hope, tolerance and understanding. Element is earth and the chakra is root. That's beautiful. All my crystals are actually downstairs at the moment because I charged them under the full moon last night. That is lovely. Always happy to add more crystals to my collection. And they do this little thing here which is included in your box this month, and it tells you exactly how much everything is. I don't want to look at that though because I want to be surprised as I go through. Your protection spell. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I've got some, I think this is incense. This is dragon's blood incense, I think. Again, look at the packaging. How much time and effort has that taken to do that? It's just gorgeous. Yeah, it's dragon's blood incense. They are one of my favourites. I have quite a lot of them. I don't know what my ones are. I got some yesterday as well. I'll just find that bit and tell you about that. And you get like a proper a lesson. I'm not going to read all this because it is my lesson, but you do get a full lesson on whatever the specific thing is for that month. So we've got protection, sigil magic, numerology, which is real, which is clock, creative design, all different things here for you to sort of read about and learn. Here's an example of a sigil. I am going to have to look at this because I need to know what's in it. So we've got the magic lesson, which is what is all this paperwork is. We have got the black tourmaline. We have got dragon's blood incense. And then we've got some little pouches. And we have got a cat spell pouch. Oh, what's this? Oh my goodness. Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So this is a cat spell pouch, beautifully handmade by Claire Bears. There's a Facebook page. Does it say anything about you on here? That is so cute. We've got peony flowers. I have so many peony flowers. I bought like a massive jar of them. We had a peony in our garden and it was absolutely beautiful. So we waited until it died and then I dried all of the petals and they smell incredible. Absolutely love them. And hydrangea flowers. Hydrangeas are one of my all-time favourite flowers and I just cannot grow them. The ground here, I can't do it, and I'm not joking. I probably killed 20 of them, but I love them. And people have them in their gardens and they're massive and I'm so jealous. They're just beautiful flower petals there. And we've got yarrow. And then we've got a sigil magic. We've got a magical square, numerology, a witch's clock and a witch's wheel for you to do your sigil magic. And then lastly we have got a protection spell in a frame, a witch's spell. Protected by mine ancestors, we are loved by the gods. They ward off evil visitors and spirits whilst at odds. Gods above protect our home so that our love resides. Gods below cleanse and grow, all wickedness denied. That is so cool. Oh my goodness, I love that. I will quickly have a little look through here and see if there's anything else I need to tell you. But yeah, that was the contents of the box and I will speak to you in a minute. Okay, I have had a really good read through all of the information and I feel like it's more stuff for me. If you are interested in it, then you can buy the box and have a look for yourself. But yeah, there's lots of information. There is a video link, a YouTube video link, which I will put down below, that tells you about sigils. And it says how to set up your altar for protection spells. You need a black altar cloth. The candles are black or brown. Pentacle, horns, talons, nails, pins, knives, cross, eye of Horus, evil eye, solar cross, Mars symbol, hammer's hand, hexagon of Solomon, cross spears, Protection Magic, Incense, black salt, cinnamon clove, dragon's blood, frankincense, myrrh, patchouli, rosemary and sage. And herbs you can use is anise, barley, bay, blackberry, broom, burdock, cedar, cinnamon, dragon's blood, elder, eucalyptus, foxglove, geranium, holly, honeysuckle, ivy, lavender, mallow and marigold. So there's so much information. There's even more on this side actually. Mint, mistletoe, mugwort, St John's wort, and stones you need are amethyst, black tourmaline, black obsidian, clear quartz, fluorite, hematite, jet, labradorite, pyrite and smoky quartz. So yeah, there's so much information in it. It is definitely a box for learning. It's not just a subscription box where you get lots of pretty things to put around. It's definitely a box that teaches you, and which is what I want to do. I want to learn. So I will practice some sigils and make notes, and I've got my little Sigil Magick thing and I'll put it in my book of shadows. So yeah, I really liked it. Let me know what you guys think. I think I've got a discount code for this box. If I have, I'll put it down below. You need to email Amanda, who is the owner and amazingness behind the box. But yeah, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.